Good afternoon, Eco Summit. You've seen some presentations, none about AI-powered residential energy hubs, and I'm quite sure that if you're not from the Netherlands, you've never heard of this concept. So after today, we're going to change that. I'm Yanick Slikboer. I'm the CEO of WePositive Energy. So what's the bigger problem that we're solving? In the Netherlands, the grid is highly congested. It is so congested that actually at this moment, new project development, housing project developments are getting stuck. We can't build new houses. Now, this problem is spreading. So it goes from the new build projects that are getting stuck also into the existing built environment. What's the effect? The whole energy transition gets stuck. At the same time, the grid fees are exploding, are going ×4. So basically the cost of the grid is outweighing the cost of the energy soon for residential customers. Now there's also a legislative framework that has been introduced by the EU that gives all European households the right to share energy and the right to be part and become part of residential energy hubs and energy communities. So our belief is that the next energy giant won't build more copper and is also not going to focus on the individual household, not on the home energy management system, but is going to make all these home energy management systems work together. All the devices in the local neighborhoods are going to work together. And WePositive is orchestrating these local neighborhoods. So how do we do this? As said, we're orchestrating the local neighborhoods, so that doesn't mean that we are replacing the home energy management systems. We're actually collaborating them, so we're making them all work together. We do that behind the meter, and we do that in front of the meter. And we do this for two reasons. The first reason, which is the most important one, is to make sure that the whole neighborhood stays within the grid capacity limit. And the other reason is to share energy smartly between the neighborhood to make sure that they're using as much as possible renewable energy and are lowering their energy bills. So what's the effect that we have seen so far from our solution is that we can bring congestion peaks down with 66%. Now this is massive and hugely important at this moment in the Netherlands, but this problem is spreading throughout Europe soon. So how are we going to market? First we have identified that the new build projects that are getting stuck, this is our high value niche where we're going to start. The business model is quite simple. We sell to the project developer that can otherwise not develop new homes. We do this for a project fee plus a fee per home that we connect per year. Now this is for us just step one. The second step is to bring this also in the existing built environment and to scale throughout Europe. Our traction, we are 20 months old, but we have an impressive partnership landscape with which we actually can go to market with a very credible solution. We have 2 living labs live that are proving the effectiveness and the reliability of our solution. And we are working together with 2 of the biggest project developers in the Netherlands to bring this to market and to scale this up. So why WePositive Energy wins? Now the first reason is really timing. The timing is now, the urgency is there in the market. We can't build more new houses, so we need a solution. And WePositive Energy is just entering the market as we speak. We can control all the assets in the neighborhoods. We're software only. We're energy retailer independent, and we're compliant with all EU and Dutch laws. Our funding need, we gathered quite some funding, won subsidies, convertible loan. We've got a strategic investor on board that will help us scale, and we're really looking here for the party that can help us to scale this up and to internationalize this. We will get funding from within the sector in the Netherlands because the problem is that urgent as we speak. So wrapping up, The Netherlands is European leader in grid congestion. That is, let's say, a very interesting position, but that really means that this solution needs to be built in the Netherlands. And we are leading, as WePositive Energy, this space in the Netherlands as we speak. And we're looking for a partner that can scale this up with us and internationalize this. Thank you very much. And if this is in your space, let's connect and let's talk. Thank you.